Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 2 of Versys 650. I'll be riding it on Palm Beach Road and we'll share the reviews of it, how it is. So this is Rahul's Versys 650. So if you can see, he has customized it a lot. So these are the blind spot mirrors, and if you see this, just one second, yeah, so if you see the levers, it's a custom made one which I really liked it, and these hand guards. So the sitting posture of this bike is very nice. It's not too heighted like Adventure. The power and feel is much better than Adventure because it's a 650cc. The first thing that I like is about this is the mirrors and the visor, which is lacking on the Adventure. So these are the blind spot mirrors where I can check it out. I'm not sure if the camera could capture it. And these are the auxiliary lights. He has also changed the indicators, custom indicators. I'll be sharing it once I am back. I'm just taking a short spin on Palm Beach Road. As of now, this bike is really nice. He has also changed the guards. I'm in love with this lever. Okay, nice power, nice pickup. Oh. So it's a perfect bike for touring. You can do mild off-roading on this, but as it is heavy, but I would not recommend doing off-roading on this. So it's a personal choice. I would not do off-roading on this. I'm sure there are many others who would be doing off-roading on Versys. So there is Versys 650 and 1000. And 1000 has many features which the 650 is missing. So it doesn't have the cruise control, heated grips or anything as such. That's my Adventure. So the braking is also good. The only thing that I would be missing in this bike is the upshift and the downshifting. This doesn't have the quick shifter. So for touring purpose, this is the perfect bike, as the height and the sitting posture is perfect. It's really nice. I would really love to make one for my adventure. So these levers are seriously nice. It's short and sweet. Let's take a left and
a few moments later.
चलेगा चलेगा. So I'll switch back to my bike on Palm Beach Road. So this is just a service road. This bike is really smooth. It's much better than adventure. So we'll switch the bikes. Just 1 second. Let me park it onto neutral. Back to my bike. So you can see the custom tail tidy, the indicators. So bye. Okay, so in Vashi it was raining heavily. Okay. Ending this video over here. Do subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My ID is silentbiker_kv. Ending it. Bye bye. Take care.